Today we're going to be going over our work that we were doing in class today. We were looking at fractions of different items. So question 4, what fraction of 1 hour is 30 minutes? Now we always need to use the same units. So if I've got an hour, how many minutes are in 1 hour? Good, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So 1 hour equals, oh my gosh, that was a bit weird. 1 hour equals 60 minutes. So let's go. 4a, 30 minutes as a fraction of 1 hour would be 30 minutes out of 60 minutes. Now hopefully you are looking at that and going, I already know that 30 minutes is half an hour. So you can just go straight to, 30 goes into itself once and it goes into 60 twice. You've basically just divided both by 30. My pen isn't working very well at all. Okay, so I'm dividing by 30 and I'm getting 1, and I'm dividing by the same number and I'm getting 2. So 30 over 60 is 1 over 2. B, 10 minutes. So again, it's 10 minutes out of a total of 60. Now, I'm not really sure, and maybe you're not really sure what you're going to do first, but you can think, what number goes into 10 and into 60? Well, they both end in a 0, so I can definitely divide both of them by 10. So 10 divided by 10 and 60 divided by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1 and 60 divided by 10 is 6. And I don't think I can change anything more. So just put your little equals in as well. So that is my answer there. Now I'm going to leave you to do the rest of those. Just remember for number 5, what fraction of 1 day is 1 hour? How many hours are in 1 day? Good. There are 24 hours. So that might be very helpful for you for that question. Good luck. Show me the working in your little notebook. So just click on your name and you can do the working in there and I'll be able to check it for you. Thank you.